Hello, my name is Nathaniel Jones. I am in Group 7 for Math 150, and my topic today is competition in fish tanks. So what's the problem? Keeping multiple species of fish can cause competition for food. Certain fish only eat certain food, whereas there are others that will eat almost anything. Fish can be territorial when eating and prevent fish from eating. And then some fish are partially blind and can't find the food as well. And then some fish must forage for food, whereas others can't and they must be fed daily. And then on top of that, some fish need to eat 2 to 3 times a day. So today for our model, we will be modeling gouramis versus mollies. In the top right corner, you will see a gourami, and in the bottom right corner, you'll see a molly. So the fish tank that we're primarily going to be modeling off of is going to be the bottom right tank, but in the top left tank, we can also get data from these tanks as well, as one of them does include mollies in it. So the model for gouramis and mollies, the first equation that we see is for gouramis and the second one is for mollies. We'll just look at the first equation. So in the first equation, it's dx dt equals 1 times x all times 1 minus 0.75x plus 0.5y all over 20, and x initial is 5. So we'll break this down. So the 1 is the growth rate, and since in this tank these mollies don't breed, the growth rate would be 1. The x is just the variable, meaning gouramis. The 1 minus 0.75x plus 0.5y and 20 over 20 is going to be what we really want to look at. So the 0.75x and the 0.5 mean how much each of the two fish actually eats versus forages. So the 0.75 means that the gourami primarily eats the food rather than forages, and 25% of the time it'll forage. And then 20 is going to be our carrying capacity, so we can only have about 20 fish in the tank. And then the x initial equals 5, meaning that we started off with 5 gouramis inside the tank. So the tools to solve. In order to solve and study the model, we need to first find the equilibrium, second, linearize the system, third, find eigenvalues, and fourth, create a phase portrait. And then these are the resources. So primarily the knowledge came from the written notes and also conversations with the group mates. And then all the pictures were taken by me of my individual tanks. Thank you very much. Have a good day.